Alright, first off, in the video, I just want to say, I don't know how my last video did so well, but it did. It has like over 2,000 views, which I'm super happy about. I don't know how it got that many views, and 53 likes, so thank you for everyone liking that video. But yeah, F104 G time. There's an F5 down here that I'm gonna dive on. Hopefully get a good missile off. There we go. And pop. Oh no. Dude, last game I got shot down by the mid. Dude, are you actually kidding me? Dude, this stupid goddamn mid map AA. Are you kidding me? War Thunder, take it out of the game. Comment down below if you want mid map AA to get taken out of the game. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm gonna try not to die to anti-air again and try to kill this F5. That's my plan. Dude, I love when the premium F5C players are just not paying attention. You just get the missile off and hits them. I made himself crash. Oh my! You can tell that's a level 15 player. There we go. Easy. Easy dubs. Pretty soon. So I got a full up tier. Oh my gosh! That missile went 2 inches away from my plane. Holy! Well, there we go. There's the missile I've been looking for.
We're winning.
Critical and kill. No, dude, they stole my kill. That's actually kind of annoying. There we go. That's an easy double with cheese. Right here. Please not paying attention. So I'd love that. No. I don't know what happened to that missile, but oh no, okay. Dude, playing this map F104 is kind of sketchy. Oh! Oh, dude, that was so close. No. Are you kidding me? Stupid ass ACC tram. Dude. What? It has missiles on top? What is Normalist plane from Ohio? Oh, what? No, don't go to my teammate. Okay, good. It went for the flare. Oh my gosh, I was 2 inches away from the trees. Looks like everyone returned the base. So I'll just go after. Get a couple AI planes and got like 1 assist, I think. Wasn't that good. Dude, what just happened? Control? Dude, are you kidding me? Right as I fire a missile, somebody else shoots a missile. It's so easy to aim with the Vulcan. Okay, these that should hit any day now. Are you freaking kidding me? Sure. Yeah. Alright, well, that's F-104 pencil plane with a GAU minigun. But, yeah. Anyway, see you next time.